students on so many different cognitive levels, ability levels. I have students who are nonverbal, and then I have students who are on a 12th grade reading level. I have one student in particular who I had to repeat things constantly. But through this program, the slower pace and the repetition of even the videos, how it goes over it and then says, you know, and you're able to connect to prior knowledge through each badge. He is one of my ones who, when I do reviews, he is raising his hand every single time, using the vocabulary that we use, and he's excited.
I think types of browsers.
Types of browsers, okay. Types of browsers would be Google Chrome, Safari, and Internet Explorer, okay. But how would we know how they look when we look for the what?
The icon.
The icon, because the icon is a what? Who can tell me what an icon is?
The button.
Go ahead.
It's a
Icon is a
picture.
picture. X. What helps you know which browser you're going on?
That icon.
Browser icons, which are
Picture.
pictures. Excellent. And when you double click on it, you open the browser. Okay. A URL is.
The address, right? Oops.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Isaiah for a participation dollar.
The address of the website.
The address of the website. I love it, Isaiah.